Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video on a Capcut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my Capcut PC, and as you can see that I have imported my video to this Capcut project. And for example, we're going to remove this phone from this video. So the first thing you're going to do is duplicating this clip. You're going to right click on the clip, then you're going to click on copy, then right click again, then just click on paste. Okay, and now this clip has been duplicated as an overlay. Then we're going to go to the mask option. You can click on this mask option and select the type of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can take another part of this video to cover the phone like this. After you're done, you can click on basic. Then you're going to drag this mask to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Then I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks, and you can make it as natural as it could be. Okay, then here we go. This is the result, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.